In this lecture, we will discuss about some of the important aspects of the port as relevant from the exam perspective. Let us understand what is port. In computer networking, a port is like a door or gate through which data can flow in and out of a computer or a device. For example, a building may have different doors for different purposes. Similarly, a computer have different entry and exit point for different type of data. Each port is assigned a unique number through which data can be sent or received. For example, port 8 is commonly used for HTTP traffic, port 25 for email traffic, port 443 is for secure web traffic. So, each port will have a unique number. From exam perspective, we need to remember port number for following services. First one is HTTP. For unsecured web browsing, port number is 80. HTTPS for secured web browsing, port number is 443. File transfer protocol, port number is 21. SSH for remote logging, port number is 22. Simple mail transfer protocol for sending emails, port number is 25. Domain name system, port number is 53. Network time protocol, port number is 123. Network management protocol, SNMP, port number is 161 and 162. Server message block for print sharing, port number is 445. LDAP for directory services, port number is 389, and secured LDAP port number is 636. So you are required to remember port for these common services. Let us move to our next slide. So question is, which UDP port is a default port for network time protocol? We discussed this. 123. 123 is the port number for NTP. You may like to remember this as 12:30 PM time. So NTP 123. Okay. Which of the following services runs directly on TCP port 445? Your answer should be SMB. Which service runs on port number 161? Simple Network Management Protocol, that is SNMP. Port number 22, SSH. Port number 21, FTP. LDAP services 389. So the question is, there are different tools available for DNS tunneling attacks. These tools should run on which port? Question is about DNS tunneling. So DNS runs on port number 53. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.